Hi guys, so today I'm doing a room tour of my room here at college. I did one of these a couple years ago when I first moved into the place, but since then I have definitely changed a lot of things, redecorated, rearranged. As you'll be able to tell, this room is really small and I had to use the furniture that came with the apartment, so it's not really my first choice of furniture, but you guys will see. I think I did a pretty good job with it. It's definitely my aesthetic and I think it's really cozy and cute. I'll also link my other room tours down below so you can kind of see the changes, and also the one of my room at home. That one did really well and I'm really happy with how that room makeover turned out. So if you want, you can go check that out. But I'm just gonna give you a little overview and then I'm gonna get more in depth and say where everything's from. Here is what my room looks like. Okay, so in the corner when you first walk in, I have this really cute little print from PSTR Studio. That's where I've gotten all the prints in my room and I really like them. They have a lot of cool options, so I'll link that down below. And then I have this paper lantern lamp that I can't remember where I got that, but if I find it, I will also link that below. But I just like different kinds of lights in my room. I think it gives it like a cool vibe, especially at nighttime. Below that, I have some cowgirl boots, honestly, just because, I don't know, I felt like it needed something there, even though I really need to clean them. And then I also have my guitar. And then moving on to my bathroom door, my bathroom and closet are both in there. And I just have these hooks hanging on the door so I can put my bags and stuff. And then on this top little shelf, I just have some sunglasses. I'm not gonna show you my bathroom or my closet because they are both a mess and it's not cute. So moving on over here, this is all kind of a new addition because my desk used to be over here, but I have a TV and this little TV stand from IKEA. Under there, I have some journals and another candle. And then I have this like basket, honestly, filled with random stuff. I also have a stack of books, some of my favorite books right there, and this little pothos plant. I have this candle, which is super cute, from IKEA as well. Originally, the TV was supposed to go on that, but as you can see, my bed is way taller, so I could not see my TV. So unfortunately, I had to hang it up, and it has a little cord now, which I don't really like, but... And I was just listening to some Lana Del Rey, of course. And then my bed is over here, pushed against that wall, which has opened up so much more space in my room now. It used to be really cramped in here. This is like just my favorite part. I think it looks so cute, all the colors together. I have these two prints on the wall, also from PSTR Studio. I think it's just spelling out poster. I don't know how to say it, but this one that just says whiskey sour, but I really liked the pink. And then this one says noir. I don't know, I just really liked the kind of graphics of it. And then I have my bed. I really like having just like a white bedspread because it makes things feel more open and just clean. I have my little IKEA throw blanket, that throw pillow from IKEA, and then this leopard or cheetah print one from Target. Another favorite part of my room is my hanging lantern lamp, which I can control from my phone. This one is also from IKEA and I put like a Philips bulb in there. I just usually turn that on at night. It's a good reading light and you can also change the brightness. So like if it's late and I kind of just want a little bit of light, I can make it dim. It also changes colors, which is fun. I like putting it on the pink setting. And also, I think the checkered rug goes really well with this whole vibe. I think it's really cute. This is from Urban Outfitters. This has been in my room since I moved in here. The only thing I will say is I just don't know how to clean it very well. I always vacuum it and it never like really cleans it that well. But yeah, so that is my bed. And then moving on, we have my window, which I have the ugliest view of this dirt pile and graffitied abandoned thing, I don't know. But if you look over there, you can see school. On my windowsill though, I do have my Amazon Alexa, which is like also my alarm clock. I really like the new one because it shows you the time. Then moving on to my desk area, This was in my old room and I just love this. I kept it the same. It used to be over on the other wall, but I have just some knickknacks, some plants. This plant holder is from IKEA. I think that one's from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Some books. I have my film camera, this hat, this New York license plate, and all of these little crystals, which sadly are collecting a bunch of dust up here. My favorite part, I have this lamp from IKEA. It kind of looks like a little mushroom. This candle also from IKEA. And this random little disco ball ornament, which is supposed to be on our Christmas tree out there, but the cat always seems to take them to my room. This desk came with the apartment. I'm not really like a big fan of this fake gray wood and metal look, but it is what it is. Little disco ball there. This Glossier candle, which smells so good. And then I just have this random vase from Amazon and another IKEA lamp. I really like their lamps and like the warm light it gives off. Let me turn this one on. So that's that one as well. Chair also came with the apartment, but I just have my backpack hanging there. And then I have this IKEA pillow just to like have some support because this can get uncomfortable. Next to the window, I have just this stack of books. I don't have a bookshelf or anything, and I really don't have any room for that. And then I have my nice big IKEA mirror. I really wanted it to be here when I rearranged my room because I like that you can see the posters in the back and my bed. I was trying to keep the furniture matching, so I got this in black. And then the little, what is this called, like a TV stand, is also black. And I like that it matches the frames as well. So that is the room. Hopefully maybe this gave you some inspo if you also have a small room. I just wanted to share that with you because I really like it. I think it's so cute and cozy, and I'm also moving out of this room soon, so I thought I would just show you all the changes I've made since I won't be in here for too long. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.